Welcome back to the channel today. 2025 Volkswagen Corrado is back, and it's making waves in the automotive world as one of the most exciting comebacks of recent years. This iconic nameplate from the late 80s and 90s has been reimagined with a modern twist, combining futuristic design with Volkswagen's reputation for engineering excellence. When you first lay eyes on the exterior, the Corrado instantly communicates a bold and aggressive stance. The low-slung body, sculpted lines, and aerodynamic silhouette are complemented by sharp LED headlights and a wide grille that gives the car a sporty but sophisticated face. Volkswagen has also added sleek air intakes, a muscular hood, and flush door handles to enhance the streamlined profile. At the rear, the full-width LED taillight bar and active spoiler not only look stylish but also add functional aerodynamic efficiency. Alloy wheels ranging from 19 to 21 inches finish off the design, ensuring that the Corrado looks every bit as modern and athletic as it should. Performance is where the new Corrado truly shines. Volkswagen has equipped this coupe with a range of powertrains, from a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing impressive horsepower to a more powerful V6 option aimed at enthusiasts. For eco-conscious buyers, a plug-in hybrid variant is also available, blending performance with efficiency. The Corrado delivers sharp handling thanks to a lightweight chassis and adaptive suspension that balances comfort with precision on the road. Acceleration is quick, with the higher trims offering a 0 to 60 time under 5 seconds, putting it on par with premium sports. Volkswagen's advanced 4-motion all-wheel drive system ensures stability and traction in all conditions, while multiple drive modes allow drivers to tailor the experience, whether cruising through the city or tackling winding mountain roads. The car also features regenerative braking in the hybrid version, enhancing efficiency without sacrificing responsiveness. Inside, the Corrado feels like a true driver's car while still offering the comfort and technology expected from a 2025 model. The cabin is a blend of premium materials, minimalist design, and cutting-edge tech. A fully digital cockpit greets the driver, featuring a customizable 12-inch instrument cluster and a large central infotainment screen with haptic feedback controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Volkswagen's connected car services come standard, along with a premium sound system that fills the cabin with crystal clear audio. Ambient lighting with multiple color options creates a sophisticated atmosphere, while sporty bucket seats wrapped in leather and Alcantara provide comfort and support, even during spirited drives. Rear seating is more spacious than in past Corrado models, making it more practical for everyday use, while cargo space has been improved to add versatility to this sporty coupe. As for pricing, Volkswagen has positioned the Corrado competitively in the sports coupe market. So, the base trim starts around $38,000, offering strong value with its turbocharged engine and premium features. Mid-level trims equipped with more technology and performance enhancements range between $45,000 and $50,000, while the high-performance V6 or hybrid models push closer to $55,000 to $60,000, depending on options. This pricing strategy makes the Corrado an appealing alternative to rivals from BMW, Audi, and Toyota Supra, offering a blend of style, technology, and driving excitement at a relatively accessible price point. The return of the Corrado is more than just nostalgia. It's a statement from Volkswagen that they can still create an exciting driver-focused car that competes in a modern market. The 2025 Corrado is a perfect mix of heritage, innovation, and performance, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking a stylish and capable sports coupe. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.